Jai Srimannarayana. First sloka of 8th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Kim tad brahma, kim adhyatmam, kim karma, purushottama, adhibhutancha, किं प्रोक्तम् अधिदैवम् किमुच्यते। ओम Srimad Bhagavad Gita is a direct message from Sri Krishna Paramatma to you. Keep learning Bhagavad Gita. Keep listening to Bhagavad Gita. Keep reading Bhagavad Gita to understand the ultimate reality of your life. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I understand that Bhagavad Gita is a direct message from you to me. I shall keep learning, keep reading, keep listening to Bhagavad Gita to understand the ultimate reality of my life. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana." Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 10th Skandham, Dasama Skandham 50th day, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, with Paramatma's divine sankalpam in that prison, all the security and gatekeepers, everybody got into deep sleep. All the doors are opened, and then Vavarsha Parjanyaha Vupamsu Garjitaha Seshaha Anvagat Vari Nivarayan Phanaihi." Then the clouds came, started roaring, and the rain also started. At that time, Ananta, the Adisesha, he spreaded his hoods and he started protecting Vasudeva along with the boy, baby boy. And because Indra is making it rain so much, Yamuna river ಗಂಭೀರತೋಯ ಔಘಜವ ಊರ್ಮಿ ಫೇಣಿಲಾ ಭಯಾನಕ ಆವರ್ತಸತ ಆಕುಲ ನದೀ ಮಾರ್ಗಂ ದದೌ ಸಿಂಧುಃ ಶ್ರಿಯಃ ಪತೇಃ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ ಉದ್ಧತ ತುಂಗಭಂಗ ಕಲಿತ ಧರಾಸಾಕಾಶಯಗು ಯಮುನಾ. That Yamuna river with deep water, with highest velocity, with so many waves, just like in the past, Munu Site Sunaku Payodhi Trova Ichina Bhangin. In the past, how such a huge ocean gave a path to Sitapati Sri Ramachandra Swami, just like that now this Yamuna river gave a way and helped Vasudeva to cross Yamuna river. Then Vasudeva Nandavrajam Saurihi Upetya. Along with the boy, he reached Nandavraja. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashitravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 8th chapter 1st sloka. Kim tad brahma kim adhyatmam kim karma purushottama adhibhutancha kim proktam adhidaivam kimuchyate. Kim tad brahma kim adhyatmam kim karma purushottama adhibhutancha kim proktam adhidaivam kimuchyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.